Hey guys, this is Krishna Anwab. I am the founder of RankAtom. This video is going to be a quick demo of what we have built till now at RankAtom so that you can start taking this as a reference and start using it for your own purpose. So let's start with keyword research first. Okay, before we go into the keyword research, let's go to the settings. Over here, you can add your own domain over here and your custom weak spots. Let's say you are thinking YouTube as your weak spot, you can add it over here. And if you switch on keyword golden ratio, it is going to consume two credits, two extra credits, one extra credit. So per keyword, it will be showing you one extra credit. And let's say at the keyword research, let's say we go with something really broad. Let's say SaaS growth is my seed keyword that I'm going to go with. The reason behind going with a broader keyword is so that you get more keyword ideas to play with. You can select whatever country that you're targeting and whatever language that you want to go with for the targeting. Once you're done with that, click on find keywords. Now what this will do is it is going to start generating keyword ideas from the search. Now once that is done, it will show you a tick mark and click on this and it will show you what all keyword ideas it has generated. You can select what all keywords that you want to analyze one by one, or else what I go with is select all and click on analyze, and it is going to show you how much credit it is going to consume. Now click on analyze now. You can play around with the filters depending on your strategy that you are going with, depending on intent, words, how many words. And if you want to go with long tail keywords, you can go with 5 to 6 words minimum, something like that. You can play around with this. This is really easy. Now, if you see, the number of keywords is increasing. The reason behind that is it is adding PAA keywords that it is fetching from the analyze to the main cluster, to the entire corpus, so that your keyword ideas keep on expand as you click on analyze. Okay, once you have analyzed all the keywords, click on SERP analysis at the top so that we get to sort this entire list according to the in a descending order of the number of weak spots. To check out what all weak spots it has found, click on this breadcrumb and it is going to show what all weak spots are coming in. For example, this is a low DA. This is a custom domain that we choose, right? This is YouTube. We added YouTube in the beginning, right? And over here you can check, use this parameter for your Google ad purposes. And if you click on people also ask, it is going to give you what all results it is giving. And it is adding these results to the entire corpus. And you can see if any ads are running over here. And once this is done, go to clusters, click on generate clusters. So what clustering does is we group keywords based on SERP results. So right now it has found you clusters over here. So the reason behind clustering is if you're going to target one keyword, you're going to fetch only 520 volume. Like the traffic would be 520. Combining these keywords and mixing it in the content like secondary keywords is going to increase the amount of link that you're going to target. And yeah, that's the entire thing about keyword research. Walk on this down with the software, let me know how it goes. And let's jump into rank tracking. It's pretty simple. It is used for tracking how you are doing against the keyword that you have researched. Let's say we go with rank item for rank item. This I'll go with daily. You can choose language and country and click on track keywords. It is going to take some time and it is going to fetch the results. So it is going to crawl the top 10 pages of the search and it is going to give you 100 top 100 results by default, and it will tell you where you're standing. Okay, now once this has been analyzed, click on this and it is going to show where you're ranking at and it is going to show you the top 100 results for that. So yeah, that's it about the tool. I'm building this tool in public. So if you want to join the journey, you can follow me on Insta, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Uh, do give me suggestions if you think there is something that we can improve on. Uh, we love feedbacks and we're going to take it constructively. And I've been building this in public just because of this reason, so that rather than me building this alone, we build it together with 500 other people. So that's it. Thanks.